Good evening, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com Wednesday evening, and wanted to touch base on what looks to be a very active Thursday, particularly Thursday afternoon into Thursday night concerning severe weather. Before we discuss that, though, we've got showers and thunderstorms moving through central Indiana this evening, and these will continue through the overnight into Thursday morning in an off and on variety. Some locally heavy downpours are possible. Certainly some vivid lightning and claps of thunder, but for the most part, we're looking at these to remain below severe levels during the overnight period. As far as rainfall goes, this is only through Thursday morning, 6 o'clock. Anywhere from a half inch to an inch is a good bet across most of central Indiana, though some locally heavier totals will be possible, upwards of potentially even 2 inches in spots. I think the HRRR may be a touch aggressive, but nonetheless, a rainy, stormy night ahead. Again, most of these thunderstorms tonight will remain below severe levels. Now, tomorrow is a different situation, particularly as we mentioned, Thursday afternoon into Thursday night. The severe weather risk continues to expand north per the Storm Prediction Center, and portions of Indiana, really from southwestern and western portions of the state, have been upgraded to an enhanced risk of severe weather. And to be completely honest, I wouldn't be surprised with overnight runs if this area expands a bit further east as well. A lot of this is going to hinge on exactly how quickly we can get rid of the clouds and the associated showers Thursday morning. If we can rid those early and get some sunshine to mix in here tomorrow morning late into the afternoon hours, we're really going to have to be watching things quite carefully, because we're going to destabilize things, warm things up very, very quickly, and again, it'll be a very active evening into the early nighttime hours concerning severe weather. All modes, by the way, of severe weather are a good bet tomorrow, including the potential of a few strong tornadoes. So certainly a day that we're going to want to keep weather radio on alert mode, and have a means of getting the watches and the warnings that are sure to come for portions of the state tomorrow. Again, we'll keep a very close eye on this tonight with the updated data that comes in, and have a new fresh update for you Thursday morning as well, and continue to post our thinking on Twitter, on Facebook as well. So stay tuned with us, and again, whether it's us or one of the other talented weather sources throughout central Indiana, have a means of getting the latest weather information tomorrow. That's really what we want to stress as we go into the afternoon and the evening hours. The way we see things lining up right now, at least the shorter term or high resolution model data would suggest that we dry things out by mid to late morning Thursday, and again, potentially even introduce some sunshine. And if we do that, it's not going to take much to really ignite strong to severe thunderstorms to our west in association with the cold front passing through here tomorrow night, to again lead to strong to severe thunderstorms. We think we're going to have to continue to fine-tune things, but the potential is there really from 4 or 5 o'clock on into the evening hours to continue to deal with strong to severe thunderstorms. We think probably once we're at 9, 10 o'clock, we're seeing the threat shift east of our area. So really 4 to 9 is the focal point right now for strong to severe thunderstorms locally. Again, we think the cold front will probably pass through central Indiana somewhere around, sorry guys, let me back this up just a little bit for you to show you. This is a look at our temperature forecast tomorrow. And we think the cold front will probably pass here late tomorrow night, prior to midnight really, and then we get much cooler and drier as we go into Friday. A very chilly weekend continues to look likely, including some hard freeze threats, especially once we get to Sunday morning. Big focal item, though, tonight, again, remains on what lies ahead tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. All modes of severe weather possible: large hail, damaging winds, and potentially even a few violent tornadoes. Guys, that'll do it for the afternoon update. Make it a great evening. Stay tuned with us, and we'll talk with you soon.